Joe, what would you have done differently in this business if you could go back?
Oh gosh, I've done a million things different. Not go so fast, slow down a little bit, and then again, I wish that I had prospected a little bit more, and picked up been a little bit more picky on where I got laundromats, because I have closed 4 laundromats along the way that were just
Okay.
not good laundromats. But yeah, I just wish I was a little bit more picky. Instead of just licking my chops going, oh, I gotta have that now. And I think I would have focused more on purchasing property, rather than just getting the store. Even though in our situation, there aren't many opportunities on property because the stores are all in shopping centers. So it's hard to find a freestanding store where I would put one around here. There's a few, but not many opportunities. But I would focus more on property.